Happy Friday, everyone, and thanks for checking into WeatherBug. I'm meteorologist Todd Nelson with a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast. And we're keeping an eye on that record heat, of course, in some areas over the western U.S., even into the upper Mississippi Valley. Places like Duluth, Minnesota, on the western tip of Lake Superior could be topping out at a near-record high there, near 90. But spotty severe weather concerns developing over the next few days with heavy rain and maybe even some isolated flood concerns. Today, we do have a marginal threat over southern Wisconsin, lower Michigan, general thunderstorms in the southeast, maybe even into the northeast there, but this is that impulse of energy that we're going to be watching over the next several days. So today we've got a slight risk over the northern Rockies and western Montana. That same boundary pushing into the Red River Valley late Saturday. So for the eastern Dakotas and far western Minnesota, maybe some gusty winds and large hail. And then the threat drifting a little bit farther south to encompass the Great Lakes and the central and high plains there on Sunday. So again, other than just some spotty thunder activity over the south, southeast, and some heavy pockets of rain, maybe a vigorous storm here or there, looks fairly quiet. General thunderstorm threat and a marginal threat over the Great Lakes region as an impulse of energy pushes through there. But this is the one that we're watching. So by Saturday morning, maybe some ongoing thunderstorms over the Dakotas, but it looks like Saturday afternoon and evening from the eastern Dakotas into western Minnesota. That's the threat that we're kind of really paying attention to. But that moisture in the western third of the country is looking very dry. We need more moisture out there. The heaviest, though, over a 5-day period in the Midwest, 1 to 3 plus. Also looking at some heavy pockets of rain across the Gulf Coast states and the Florida Peninsula. But this is that big dome of heat which is pushing east. We're feeling the effects of that already today along the eastern seaboard after a little bit of a reprieve from the heat earlier this week. 90 in D.C., 90 in Chicago, 91 in Minneapolis. Look at the triple-digit reading there in Billings and up to 113 in Phoenix. But Saturday and Sunday will be plenty warm nationwide again. Have a good one.